Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Yelp reviews for your site in Webflow. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description on the video you're watching right now and click on the link. When you will get here, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is Yelp Review. So here you want to just click sign up for free. When you sign up for free, you want to choose with the Gmail or Facebook registration, and when you will have it, just click here login. Now here in L-Site, you want to write in the search Yelp. And now we're going to see here Yelp reviews. Let's create a widget now. And you can go here and you can see here reviews widget. Perfect. And when you will have it, or you can choose between grid, slider, carousel. Let's continue with the template. Let's just paste the Yelp place URL here. You can change the layout between native, stars, the list between masonry. I will leave the list now. Review template and style. You can change the colors here, and let's just click save. When you will have it, you need to choose between the plan. I recommend going with the pro version or basic version. That's like $5 or $10. It depends on how much views your site got. If you are only starting out, go with the light version. Also, you have option to choose all applications between $36 a month or $18 a month. Also up to you. Let's copy the code here. Now let's just click plus. And I recommend also create a container in Webflow. So when you're going to create a container, it will center your code to the middle. That's also like really cool thing. So let's just click save here and save and close. So right now we got a Yelp review right in the middle. And let's just click publish and publish to selected domains. And let's just see how it looks like. So as you can see, it's perfect. What I would do also to center it more to the middle, I would just click here plus, and I would create a column instead of container or grid even, and really play around it. So that's like probably what I would do, and it's pretty cool. So also that's kind of it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I recommend checking out all the applications here in L-Site. If you like something like, I don't know, WhatsApp chat, Google Maps, Twitter feed, Facebook, Google reviews, like everything, search button, Etsy, so many of it. Slider is really perfect here. Or weather, I don't know. And that's like $18 a month. So if you're gonna choose like 2 applications, just go with the $18 a month and you are good to go. And annually, you're gonna even save the money here. So yeah, thank you everybody very much for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.